Don't stay. No one is staying. Please come down.
You stay in, my dear?
So that we die together. This monkey will kill us all. Mama, you are in Gibraltar and you are scared of the monkeys.
Sometimes
look,
they
look,
come
one
down
is in
here
front of you.
in
the car.
In the summer, the bigger ones, they go to the upper town. You leave a window open, they're inside your kitchen.
Oh.
Happens all the time. Anybody like the umbrella? No.
Oh.
That's okay. Yeah. You like umbrella, sir?
We're used to it.
You all right?
Yeah.
I do, but.
Oh, is that? Wow.
Oi! Get out of it! Bloody thief!
Mama, they will come inside the. I'm even better. I'm here. You are there. They will come inside you there. Okay, you wait. They will come inside you there.
Oi, get out of it!
Oh my God!
They want to take my camera or what? What do they want to do?
They take it. No, in the rain they play a lot and damage my car. This year I put about 4 aerials. I'm not putting no more.
They damage your aerials.
Oh no, now they're still there, don't we?
No, Mama. I'm not supposed to enjoy. Mama, please, come down so that they can take us some pictures. My friend, can you take me pictures? You wait. You take the video.
Another fairy story. They say that the monkey, the apes came from Africa through an underneath passage, which is not true.
Hey, Bajapon. Oh.
So, oh, leave that bottle alone.
Oh, mommy, Mama. Oh. Look at the monkey. Monkeys.
He won't do nothing. He likes you.
Emilia.
A bit closer. Come
Look
on.
at the monkeys.
Smile.
Ooh.
Lovely.
My goodness.
Let me get this.
Yeah.
There's another one somewhere.
Oh yeah, plenty of them there.
That's it.
Mama, come down.
Oh no, Bajapon, no. Hey, please.
Yeah. I got 2 on top of you. Smile.
My wife in the bottom. My friend, can you go a bit
Look at this.
down?
Hey, Bajapon, what's that bunguti?
I'll be inside. My wife will be there.
Okay, 4 of you. Big smile.
Lovely picture. I'm telling you.
Hey, look at the biso. Hey.
Got it. Let me go.
That's like somebody in the coal bunker or something.
Leave my bottle alone. I have to buy one every day. Get out of it. Oh, what a thief.
Oh. 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 My goodness. Oh. Hey. Come on.
Sometimes I forget I leave a window open. I find 5 in here.
5 inside your car.
There's a guy for window wipers as well.
Right, let's go higher. Now we're going.
We get more of them there.
Yeah.
Hey, come on in there.
No, I won't come in.
Yeah. That's enough. Don't move.
He's on top. Now we're going right over the other side of the rock. When we get there, you'll have to show your ticket again. You're going to visit the military tunnels, a great siege military tunnels blasted out in the year 1780 by the British Royal Engineers. Took around a year to blast out. During the whole operation, only 1 soldier died. Inside the rock, there is over 35 miles of road like this one in front of us. There is more road inside the rock than outside. It's full with military, it's hollow inside. But all the tunnels, 70%, 80% of them, they're active, so you know, you can't really go in them. The only visitable tunnel is the one I'm taking you. Hopefully, let's see if we're lucky, we're under the mist. Then you might be able to see the airstrip, which is 1.5 miles long. The airstrip every day comes 3 or 4 planes from England, only from England. Every time a plane come in or go out, they stop the traffic. The traffic goes right across the airstrip. So the only thing joining Gibraltar to Spain is the airstrip, which was done when they blasted the tunnels inside the rock. Let's see if we're lucky enough to see that for the next stop.
Sukana, no, also koi kone kufiga ben ena kombo ben.
That's all the military zone down there, you see.
Itu belum risk, belum ayo risk. Rare kaki. Saya kata untuk kita se. What is this one? Is it like a pub?
That's a wall built by the Spaniards in the year 1300.
1300.
It's got steps behind that wall which you can't see, but that's because in them days there was no road up here.
Okay.
So they got down that wall to get from the bottom to the top.
What happened for the British to take over Gibraltar?
In the Second World War, everybody wanted Gibraltar to control the straits, which is when you came with your ship into Gibraltar, you came through the straits where the Mediterranean and Atlantic meets. So everybody wanted Gibraltar to control the strait, which is to the left, about a mile out. You can't see it from here, but you see the sea, and that's on the left is where the Mediterranean and Atlantic meets. So there was 400 German planes bombing Gibraltar. A lot of Spain, France, Italy, Germany, everybody wanted this, to control that.
Okay.
Today the weather's good, believe me, this last week has been much worse than this.
Okay.
Oh,
This is good.
good to have a bit of rain, but
Not too much.
5 or 6 houses in front of us. They used to be owned by the military high ranks many years ago. Now they're private houses owned by local people. When they bought them, they were very cheap. Now they're over £500,000 because of the view up here. Obviously not today, but about 7 months of the year, it's a beautiful view up here. So that's why the 6 or 7 houses. These are the only houses up here.
Okay.
When you show your tickets now at the entrance of the tunnel, you go in and you come out the same way. The tunnel is over half a mile long, so I wouldn't walk to the bottom. There's no steps, but it gets very steep. I'm going to give you 20 minutes, the same as the caves, give you enough time, and I will wait outside for you, okay?
Okay.
Now, go on. The entrance of the tunnel is just here in front of you, in and out the same way. I'm going to wait just in front of you here. Give yourselves 20 minutes, give you enough time, okay?
Gibraltar and the monkeys are one. No, vamos al buzo na zona monkey. Come al buzo. Wang asal lo. Kala ko to. Mama na makaku na. Impressione usano. Impressione usano makaku no pemene. Usao se pelo mundo makaku. Hala biscuit. Razana bisha zuliana. Usa ina no eh. Usa mtu sumba ko. Bom sim, mas. Tala bisha no. Zaba mama ah, Gibraltar ngako logo pamba baze bele donc. Tudo tuasa.
Bayiba biloko batu bayiba bidon bikoti caméra donc ceux qui ont sali ke bate matro donc faut zapper be careful awa ceux qui te bate bele biloko ba makaku bayiba yango wana bisika na yimo filmer ngana ngana son baloba ba filmate
ngana uzokamte